Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to show you how to recreate some of my most popular Instagram videos, but before that make sure you're subscribed and have your post notifications turned on. Comment down below #NotificationSquad when you've done this so that you'll be entered into next video's subscriber shoutout. Notification Squad shoutout for this video goes to these amazing people. Thank you guys so much for your support. It really means a lot and encourages me to keep working on my YouTube channel. First type of video I'll be showing you how to recreate is the shaving cream piping onto slime. You can do it on clear slime, white slime, any slime you want. I'd normally use like a white base slime. So you're going to need some shaving cream, some dye, a piping bag, and scissors. Make sure you have your parents' permission to use the scissors. So once you have all those, it's kind of easy. You just need a base glue slime. It doesn't matter any type you want. I just use a normal white glue slime. So take your piping bag or a Ziploc bag, you can use either. Fold it down all the way to the bottom so that you have a small opening and just as low as you can go with it. Then take a little shaving cream and you're just gonna like put a little bit in there just to kind of clog it so that when you add the dye, it doesn't go all the way to the bottom and you have it in the shaving cream. So take your dye colors of choice. It's optional. You don't even have to do dye if you don't want to. I like it. I think it adds a fun effect. So I did orange and yellow. So I put those on opposite sides of each other just because you don't want them to blend together that like too much. You kind of want to see like both colors. Add a little more shaving cream, then you slowly want to just like pull the bag up a little bit so that you have more space, and then just pipe the shaving cream in, like put it into the shaving cream so that it like fills it perfectly as much as it can and there's no empty pockets. So now that you have your shaving cream bag ready, cut about a 1/4 inch size of the tip off and empty it out a little bit so that you get the colors together and it's not just the one at the bottom like the yellow is here for me. So test it, make sure it's the size you want. You can always cut off a little more. Get your slime ready and then just go ahead and pipe onto it. It's really relaxing and fun to do. I hope you guys give this a try. If you do, tag me on my Instagram because I'd love to see you guys like how you've done it and what it came out like. This is really fun. Make sure you have your parents' permission too because it is messy, but it's really fun. So definitely give this a try. I highly recommend it. The next type of video I'm going to show you how to do is this one here. It's like a snow cone. I call it because it looks like a snow cone to me with like the glue on top of it. It's fun to do, really relaxing. It doesn't make the best slime, but it's really fun to do. So you're going to need a bowl, 2 things of water, dye, instant snow, and glue. Start off by just putting your dye into your water. You don't even have to use it if you don't want to, but obviously it makes it look cooler. You can use as many colors as you want. I normally do 1 or 2. The 2 is cool because you can do like a cool ombre effect with it. Next, put about like 1/2 teaspoon of the instant snow powder into the bottom of the bowl. Then you're going to want to take your 2 cups of dyed water and just pour them into the side at the same rate so that it does equally go on the sides and you can get a good ombre effect. If you add too much water, it's alright. You can just add a little more instant snow over the top to absorb some of the excess water. So just go ahead and do that until you get the desired look you'd want. Now you're going to want to take your glue and just drizzle it over the top. That's kind of it. That's like my favorite part of the video, just watching it go over the colors and kind of cascade down. You can mix it up and it's also kind of cool to do that. You can activate it. It makes a really jiggly slime. It's kind of fun to play with, but I don't show that in my videos just because it's boring. So the next video I'm going to show you is dropping the slime into the glitter water. This kind of came from Red Apple Slime when she put water and dropped the slime into it, so I added glitter and dye to it. So you're just going to need a big bowl full of water, basic fluffy slime, and glitter and dye. Start out by adding the dye to the bowl, and then once you have the dye, you're going to sprinkle glitter over the top. Make sure you kind of like sprinkle the glitter so that it doesn't sink into it, and you just have like an even spread of the glitter. I use 2 different kinds of glitter. That'd be a cool different color. And then twirl your slime, and just go ahead and drop it in like this. It's really relaxing, and it's like kind of pointless because it doesn't do anything, but it's good ASMR and it's fun to do. I don't know, I like doing the sounds and hearing it. The slime really becomes really sticky and wet, so you can reactivate it and it becomes like a jiggly fluffy slime. It's fun to do. I'd give it a try. It is messy, so again, ask your parent before doing this. And that's kind of it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. It means a lot. It means a lot if you subscribe, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for your support. It means a lot. See you in the next video.